In today's video, I'll teach you how to solve copying and forwarding is not allowed in Telegram channel. So first of all, launch open Telegram application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Telegram application has been opened. So what you have to do is simply tap on the channel of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here the channel will be opened. So find the message that you want to copy or forward. Normally if the channel is private, you'll not be able to copy or forward the message. But if you really want to forward the message or save the message, for that what you have to do is simply tap on this icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, tap on this option copy link that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the link will be copied. Normally you'll not be able to forward this. So what you have to do is simply go back. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now what you have to do is simply type in save restricted content. Now you'll be able to find this option for save restricted content bot. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here the bot will be opened. Now over here if you share the link, it will generate the file for you that you'll be able to save and share with others. So tap on the message bar that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now once you do that, what you have to do is simply paste the link that we copied earlier. Now tap on the send icon in order to send it. Now you can see over here it will generate the message that can be forwarded. So like this you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix copying and forwarding not allowed in Telegram channel. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.